So here's the build for the floor. The base is going to be 12 by 8 with a deck here. The joists are 2 feet apart, and I'm putting, this is going to be the bottom. This is some home hardware tarps were thrown out, so I put in that on the bottom to make it waterproof. 1/2 inch board on the bottom. I'm going to put insulation in there. This by 2 by 4s, and then I also put 1/2 inch plywood on the. It's about December 1st. We'll see how much we can get done by Christmas. Yeah, so I'll put the insulation in here, 2 feet apart, and so here we're putting on the flooring on, and what I did is put a spacing about popsicle stick, so in the summer when the wood will expand, it won't bubble there. So here the insulation's on the bottom, and I'm putting about 1/2 inch dry. So today's kind of rainy day, and I'm gonna be putting on the roof. Tomorrow's gonna snow. December 30th here. On winter. I'm gonna be installing the plywood. Anyways, getting plywood on. So today I'm going to be working on the shingles. Got all that. Got this window in. Looks pretty nice. We got it for 50% off, so $60 for Habitat for Humanity during Christmas. Really nice window there. That's the roof, and that's the loft. I'm going to be putting 2 skylights in and shingles. Here's the shed so far. I have some cedar shingles that I've cut, and then I'm going to be putting them on the outside of the building here. You can see on the side here that actually I'm thinking about putting some side trim on the door so that you don't see the side. Anyways, I'm just learning how to do this. You just kind of put on layer, make sure that this one, it overlaps a little bit between each one. So here's a bucket of nails that I got from burning some boards, so I'm just reusing all these free nails. You can see the cedar shake on the building there. So Here's a brief outline how to do a corner. You do overlapping, so in this side, this little small piece is sticking out a little bit, and then this one will be flush. The next layer that I put on, I'm going to make alternate, so this will overhang here, and then you just keep on doing that, and that's how to do the side. You can see I'm alternating out and then in, so this one's sticking out and this one's getting out, so you alternate on the sides. Now for at the end of a door, I just cut a log and you can put your cedar shakes right to it. To show you what we have so far, so this is inside the building. We have a loft, a ceiling fan. The girls did a nice painting of some birds. It's a beautiful day to get some cutting some shingles. So I'll be cutting some wood right here. So here's our pile of wood that you can see that we have these cedar blocks. They're about 18 inches wide or long, and we're just going to split them using the wood splitter. So here we have the shingles on. You can see you just go one row and then just go up a little bit for the other one. Just like so. Line it up on the bottom. Same height. Put a top nail. Put a nail of this down into the other way as well. And that sounds good.